Hello and welcome to Kobo Writing Life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily publish an ebook on Kobo Writing Life and reach Kobo readers around the world. After logging into your account, in the ebook tab, you'll see the startup screen. To start publishing, click on the red Create New eBook button. You're going to start by filling out the information fields for your book. If your book is part of a series, it's really important to ensure that you're entering the series exactly the same on each ebook. We use this information to automatically link your books in our store, which is a great way to entice readers to read the next book in your series. Continue filling out all fields of your book, including synopsis, publisher, and imprint names. If you're uploading it ahead of your release date, it's a great idea to allow readers to pre-order your books, as that builds buzz ahead of time. Please note, an ISBN isn't necessary to publish with Kobo. If you don't enter one, you'll be assigned a Kobo ISBN. Select the language your book is written in. You have the option to choose up to 3 categories for your book. Pick the ones that best represent your content. Now let's upload our book cover. You can either drag and drop the file or click on the red button and locate the cover. The next step is to upload your content. You can upload a document here that our system will convert to an EPUB file. If you have a pre-formatted EPUB file, you can upload this too. Our conversion won't make any changes to the EPUB. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to download the converted file. You'll also see any validation results. Now it's time for you to set the license for your book and the geographic rights. You have the option to enable DRM and select the territories you want to sell your book in. If you'd like to include your books in our subscription program Kobo Plus, simply leave the toggle set to yes. You can select all eligible countries or select the countries one by one. You can also choose to distribute your books to Overdrive, which will make them available for sale to libraries. All you need to do is enter a library price for your book. Your library price should be slightly higher than your retail price, since the library only has to purchase once. We recommend 2 or 3 times the ebook price, or around the price of a mass market paperback. Next, you can set the price for your book. You can enter the prices in up to 16 currencies. We recommend using our suggested conversion prices in red and counting up the prices to the nearest 99 cents in all of your currencies. This will ensure your book has a good price in every part of the world. This is the final step. Hit the Publish eBook button and we'll do the rest. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to our team via the Help Center. You can find the link in the video description. Happy writing!